Here we have a Mark II Velocet 350cc KTS. And Padre is going to show us how to start it. Hey, second kick. Ow. Let's have a look at that exhaust. Clean as a whistle. Now is there any oil? Let's have a look. It's been stood here all day. 1 or 2 drops from earlier this afternoon, but it's pretty clean, eh? There we go. Looking good. Let's scroll around. Idling nicely. Just ticking over. Any comments, Padre?
Runs like it does.
And there we have it. And there's Padre with the KTS. All happy, but it's been a long day. A hot day. Harry's sounding well.